Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to make $200 plus per day with Instagram. How are you guys? I hope that you are all doing great and you are staying safe with this whole quarantine thing, and also you're staying productive. And before we get started, you're gonna see right now on your screen my Instagram account, which is related to this YouTube channel, and you can go and ask me anything you want to there. I respond to everyone, and just go and ask me any questions you have. This method is used by bigger accounts in many different niches and can be used by you as well. The only thing you need is actually a skill that you can teach. It doesn't matter what the skill is. It can be photography, it can be how to grow an Instagram page, it can be about money, about finance, personal finance, it could be about fishing, cooking, whatever you are an expert and professional in, and you can actually teach with ease other people. You don't have to be a professional that actually works 18 years with that skill and all that kind of stuff. You can be doing it for a year or maybe 6 months or maybe 3 months. Just have the skills and the ability to teach others. And also this skill can be as easy as like cleaning your room, like Marie Kondo, who is an organizing consultant. She's the author of 4 books about organizing, and the one that is the most famous is the life-changing art of tidying up, and she made all that money with selling those books and also consulting others how to organize and how to declutter. And this is a very simple thing to do, but she knows how to do it so good that she teaches others, and she's writing books about it and making money. Her net worth is at $8 million. As you can see, this is a simple skill that she knows how to do very well, and she gets paid to teach that skill to other people. So find that skill that you are enjoying most and you want to learn so many years, and start learning that. And actually, once you've learned it through even paid courses or free courses, YouTube videos, books, whatever it is, start teaching other people about that skill as well. Now, how to use that skill in your advantage with Instagram. It's not that difficult at all. It's not gonna be something like create your own course in like 4 months, 5 months, and then start making money. I'm talking about something that you can start when doing today if you have an Instagram account in your niche that you actually have that skill. It can be a theme page or even a personal brand, just something that is revolved around that skill that you have. The good thing is that you don't need tons of followers to get started making money with this strategy. You don't need 10,000, you don't need 25,000, you don't need 100,000. The only thing you need is your skill set and proof of your good work. For this video and as a demonstration for this strategy, I will use as an example that you are a content designer. You create logos, banners, infographics, Instagram posts, thumbnails, and all that kind of stuff, alright? So let's say you created a nice logo that you wanted to create, and you upload and make a post about it on Instagram. And let's say you are getting 150 likes on average, and this post gets 150 likes. Now what you should do is actually message all the people that liked your post, all 150 DMs. Don't do it at once because you're gonna get action blocked, but with time just go and DM 150 people that liked your post. Now you should be wondering about what do you send them, what do you offer them, and what is the message that you are writing. What you're offering is actually teaching others your skill. And we were talking about content design, so let's say you made a post about content design, and maybe even better, it's a post about how to create this content, how to create a logo, and people go and like it, and now you're DMing people to actually offer them your services and teach them how to create this kind of content, how to create nice logos, how to create banners, how to create thumbnails, all that kind of stuff. Now, how do you teach them? There are many ways, but the most famous one is actually the coaching call or maybe a course. But let's say you're doing a coaching call, which is easier in the beginning. Now you're gonna teach through Skype how to create content, or maybe how to cook, or maybe how to do magic tricks. So you send 150 DMs which were from your post's likes. Let's say 70 of them respond back to your message. And this product, this coaching call that you are offering about how to create content, it's let's say $47, which is a pretty usual price for someone to teach a skill. And if people want to learn this skill and you are doing it good, then people will want to buy your services. Now those 70 people responded and you are offering your services for $47. Now the 70 people who responded are less than 50% of the people you DM'd in the beginning. And let's say from those 70 people, just a 10% actually agrees and accepts your offer. That is just 7 people out of 150 you DM'd. And for $47 product, you can actually make $329 per day. and that's actually $9,870 per month, which is a huge amount for making money through Instagram. It's not gonna be that easy though in the beginning, and it will take hard work, very consistency, and also you can do paid ads to promote your post. Maybe you can get even more likes. Let's say you put $5 into paid ads and advertisements, and then you just go and message 300 people, and let's say you just close 10 deals like that, and that's pretty good as well. If you're a beginner, don't go for this crazy amount of $10,000 per month through Instagram from a side hustle, but go for the experience, because selling is also a skill, closing the deals is also a skill. You need to have the experience, you need to have the skills in order to make even more money. If you're in the beginning, don't go and focus on the money and how much money you can make, but on how to sell, how to close the deal, and how to interact the right way with your client slash future student. This strategy I have used a lot of times, and a lot of people have used it as well. If I helped you, and I hope I helped you, then drop a like on this video. If you have any questions about this video and this strategy, just let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you have any video suggestions to do, maybe in a bit different niche, maybe if you want to know how to edit some photos for Instagram and all that kind of stuff. Just let me know any questions you have. Send me a DM on Instagram if you have any other questions, and I would be more than happy to respond to everyone. Also, subscribe to my channel to support me as well, and to continue making these videos for you guys and helping you, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out any of the future videos. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you next time.